This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
This is part 4. We are replacing this. This is the bumper reinforcement. So this is what protects your car. So that's just the cover. That's just called fascia or cover. But this is what is the strong stuff. That's when you hit somebody. That's what you're hitting with. So we're going to be replacing the one that's damaged here. This one, it's kind of, I don't know if you can see it, it's falling apart, but see that? It's totally bent over there. So we're going to replace that. We're going to be replacing that with this one. This is also a used one that we got from a junkyard, so we'll be using this one too. Replace it. Let's get started. Alright, before putting it on, make sure that you're putting the upside, look at the mark on there, and then make sure you're putting it right. Okay, there are two of these screws sticking out here. Actually, it's just a threaded. That one is a little bent. We're going to fix that one first. All right, that one is straight. So we're going to put that one in, and then proceed from there. Just make sure that hole lines up, like that. Same thing on this end. The hole will, if the other side lines up, this one should line up too. Just push it in. Okay. All right. We got 6 screws on either side. Just put them in and tighten. Just make sure you put one on each side so that they don't fall on your leg. So while tightening that one of the bolts, my socket fell in. I couldn't take it out, so I'm going to take the whole thing out and we're going to put it back in. And when we take it out, one more thing we're going to do is this styrofoam. It's not tight, so we're going to wrap it around with some duct tape. I think we're good. Put one bolt on each side. This side I'm going to make sure that I don't drop my socket. The thing we have left to do at this point is just connect the harness back to the bumper. Okay, some of these clips broke off, so we have no way of putting it in. Let's put whatever clips that we have. Alright, I think we're good to go on that. Okay, so everything that was on this thing, on the bumper reinforcement, we put it on. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the bumper upper bar. Okay, that's what the bumper sits on. So next we're going to put that. We put it already on top of it, but we had to take it out when we put the light in. So we're putting it back on again. Thank you for watching.